I don't know what we are gonna do. It's rough. You better walk so fast, because remember so far we have to walk up.
Let me walk up, cause
Me can't keep up, man.
I can't keep
And me I carry the bag.
And you want to carry the bag?
Carry it then now.
Mommy, my back hurt.
Exactly.
I'm hungry. Oh, far more me have to go walk, go mommy.
Just down to your uncle. You don't know where he live already.
Me do not eat. Me don't eat not even this morning.
You can't take the botheration, you know, me don't have enough on my head. There's pressure on my head already.
Make him man put you out.
Me nah stand up there and take him foolishness, you know. Him thinks he can enough with me. I want to raise him hand to me. He lucky so me never shut him a box, make him piss up himself. Come. Come man, me no arguments with you, you know. Nobody make me take it up on you, you know, little girl. Oh, come, just walk. I'm tired of this.
Mommy, walk up now. You not even know me, I go.
Just keep walking. You see no turn off. You see no turn off. Sure. Me about my foot pan rock store.
Mommy, I pick up your foot.
Me hungry too. Slow down now.
Mommy, walk
The
up,
sun
man.
hot.
I mean, you tell us everything. So come on. I'm hungry.
You want hungry? Me hungry too.
You know, that's a two. Mommy, that's a two. Mommy, I know say. You sure say. When you go to your brother, you know, nobody put you up, you call him.
I'm a brother. Papa, I'm a bigger brother. I'm not put you out.
Mommy, you call him?
Me know some good man.
You sure?
Family blood thicker than water. Me and Papa grow so. I him look after me. Not even fly could have pitch for me for Popeye.
Make sure.
Fly pitch for me and kill it and swat it. Nothing can do me for my brother. And nothing can do my brother for me. We're good man.
Alright, Mommy. So make sure, say they call him when I say ear from your brother.
We know where him live, man. Once we reach there, we're good. When we reach there, we're home.
So, Mommy,
can me try him and me not get it?
I can't leave, remember saying I have no money to go right nowhere, you know. You tell him, say I leave, we are going to leave. Because I don't know what make anybody just suck salt with daddy and bear it. Bear it. Look at me young, eh? And me walking a hot song.
Bear what?
No, we are what?
You know, as you say, look how long me I bear it. And I just know your father is a
Mommy. Suck salt.
How much more salt me for suck? Me suck salt till you grow big, so me can't take no more, man. Me can't take no more. This is a last straw.
You know I have no money, and you really make daddy put we out. Me cannot believe.
That's why we got to my brother.
Me try me, she say brother put you up and come here. Team me want go back up. They say no hard son.
You time to the waiting of the Sunday.
Alright,
cause we are go to my brother and he will go put we out. And I make sure.
How far more now? Me have to go walk go now. How far?
We are gonna walk till we reach. It's not far. You see the truck down there, sir? It's just round the corner. And up the little steep hill, but it's not that steep. And then you reach. Once you go down the hill a little bit and go round the further. Once you pass Miss Lydia's house, you're good, man. Is either that or Tanto there. Come, man. Ciao. Too miserable for such a... This house right here.
Where in there?
Nobody come with your attitude. Have manners to your uncle. We have got to him. Come on, and fix your face. What, brother? Popeye, hey. You good?
Oh, that mercy. I want know.
So you're not glad to see your sister and niece?
You know, time like I just
Come man, fix your face, hug me up. You alright, brother, you good?
Me good, man. Me good.
So what happened?
Pass through.
Yeah man, we said we could
Oh.
come check you and spend
Mommy,
little
no pass
time.
pass through. Me tell you, she not call
Me
you,
tell you
brother.
say you two now come out a big people argument.
what? Spend what?
A long time you not see your brother, you don't know your niece. You forget to know your niece, man, so we come back.
I live, we can't live here. Daddy put we out, come mommy, no know if it's suck salt.
Me was going to get into it later.
So,
One roller fight me and him getting her. He nearly killed me.
choo.
He nearly killed me, Papa.
Choo.
Aye, actually, me no want to tell you all this time, but he's not a good man.
See, no juice in there, or water. It hurts me, I walk around, blasting at me, I walk.
Me sure you know when you are coming up. You pass a lot of pipe on the road, even right there, sir. Why when you reach Yasso, you feel like you're thirsty?
Me thirsty, hold on.
I take you to my place to eat that.
I have to take a place to eat that.
That's such enough.
Well, my sister, we come from the same mother, right?
Then must.
Yeah. But
Same blessing.
you can't live here. You cannot live here. But, two you are my sister. And you look so bad to me turn your back. A taxi, we take.
No, we walk. You're not here.
What you mean? Hold on, stick up in. What you mean we can't stay here? What you really saying? You have a big 5-bedroom house.
No, you can't live here, but you can stay for a while.
How that me a talk? This one open our mouth. Of course, we're going to get pan for beef and things.
3-4 days.
Baby, it's going to take longer than that to get from my foot, Popeye. And we're back, I will close pan, we're back, we come within a family, you name me now.
When it is up there, me not see you come here. No, the compound
You can't go inside. Come on, sit down.
Papa, you really are do your sister, your little sister, so go, we grow. You're gonna make mommy turn in our grave for real, brother.
No, it's principle me assure. Principle I assure. You see, if you take up your assembly in the moment and live here, they're gonna wreck your place.
No, me grow her with
Especially
manners.
she.
Nobody will listen to the talk. I true she tired. Me grow her with manners and
All
everything.
right.
She care for her things, and you don't know me already.
Yo, I think 2
Who
years walk
this?
from much night, you say, till you reach here, me not gonna turn you back. Me gonna reconsider and make you stay here till one time I think what you put on. Yeah. But you see, you won't know. Put us, I chat to you. When somebody I chat to you, don't hold on your head.
No,
You
but
know,
look, but nobody. Yes,
look
because
for
you
me.
not know manners.
You look for me when me I talk to you. It's just like when the radar talk and I say you there, pay attention to the radar, pay attention to me. Right? You're gonna stay here with your mother. But under my rules and regulation, there's
no
time
problem.
for when you go out and time for when you come in. There is time for when you go sleep and there's time for when you go bed.
I shan't me there.
You see the toilet, you don't flush it more than one time for the day. If you're wee-weeing, you wee-wee a lot. Right?
No.
And when it gets full, you flush it. Do not flush one wee-wee. Because you know pay for water bill, yeah. First of all, I walk in, but I walk in and never take taxi. So that means I no money.
I never know, so the sun over my head is very hot.
Oh, you left where you come from your daddy, and you know, walk with umbrella. Don't blame I, blame the sun.
Suck salt.
Good!
That you tell me for do? Suck salt.
Well, you never suck it salt,
Oh,
you never suck it salt.
girl, who you put your foot in her face? You know better than put your foot in my face.
Hello. If I saw you
She take her father rentness, rudeness, and utter ordinariness. We can't take it no more.
Hello.
Yes, so you fi do her. Come, can't take it no more, Papa.
One uncle is straightening you. You see, your mother never straightening you, but no is straightening you. This is my little come and ask you how you see ya. Bring a man come in here.
Hey,
Make a man evil tell her for the
you. You're wicked.
take your foot out of my face,
Mama,
little girl.
You're very
Before me
wicked.
make your uncle done it.
warning. Can you see my rock?
Are you make me raw?
Shut up.
Push me down, yam.
Her papa rudeness, she
No, let
taking
me
her.
tell you something now.
And you know, I know, so we go.
Too. You now go there and now work.
When you ever know me no work? Me work hard for everything me
Good.
have.
I try to tell you this. Make sure say, you contribute to light bill, water bill, Wi-Fi bill. Me not gonna say cable bill because no TV in the back room. But the fan, when you not use it, please to plug it out.
Well, that's a simple thing.
When you charge your phone, don't use it while you're charging. When you don't charge, you plug it out. Cause JPS have an intensity. If you tell me, say, to me a charge and watch same time. Make me bill run up.
Hold on, brother. Let me check something. And me understand the talking to her, so. And me, you really a deal with so.
Everybody
Me
have
and
a
you
rule.
come from, me understand that. But brother, we mother never raised with so. You have we out in the hot sun, I give rules
You-
like
you
say with their
remember-
school, like some me no
You
know
remember-
rules too.
you remember-
And your mother is my mother is your mother,
Yeah.
we raised the same way. I understand with
Me
her
and
cause she
use my
rank.
mother principle when you
So you
fall.
really have to preach to me, oh, the sun hot.
Listen.
You couldn't
when
even make me get in and get little water first.
You remember when we used to fight? Our mommy used to wake up 3 o'clock in the morning, can go down and see if you turn up in the sea water till sun hot. When we come out to me. And then the principle that me I use now. Principle,
Pa me and me grow the same way as you.
no, it no matter.
That's
Me and
yeah.
one brother. Now make no sister come here, come live free rental. No. You know, go so.
Me tell
Bills
you
got
nothing
to
about
pay.
free. You ever know me as come so?
Go on in and use the back room. Don't use the other room round there, just use the back room. You and your daughter can stay in the same room.
Alright.
No.
All
As long
right.
as you're here,
Not a problem.
I am the only man here had privacy here. So remember that, you know. Me is the only man here have privacy. So, try and make sure you know that.
Me know you are the only man here have privacy.
Right.
But surely you expect me and my teenage daughter, girl child, to have privacy too. What do you? So what? My girl child is strip and come out to the
I
bathroom.
never tell you if you come out of no bathroom.
So she
naked,
must have
that's why I
privacy.
say,
So
I am
yes,
the-
you're the only man have privacy, but women have privacy too. What do you?
Me-
Allow that. Know that. Oh, but only one have privacy. You're bright and chest high. Me now beg you nothing, you know. Oh. Riri,
Yes, mommy.
I need to seriously talk with you. Oh boy, you kinda get a shock.
You do, mommy.
Me no know this Popeye. This Popeye come different. Me never expect this. So this reception, me never in all of my years, 40 odd years, see my brother act so. So here what? Since him hold the handle and right now we hold the blade, as you say, we have to go suck salt and
Mommy,
take
you
it.
tell me if you suck salt. What make you all the side disrespect me in front of your brother? I tell me, mommy, if you suck salt.
Oh, start the disrespect. That's another thing I come in to talk to you about. Cause me have to put my foot down for door shut. Him no want privacy. Him the only one for have privacy. You make him no son, no so you go. Yes, we are catch, but the law, you is a girl child. So, me no know I'm really deaf on. You have to
Mommy,
watch things.
yeah, if it all hold on I'm ear.
Can you never have manners to him, you rude to him, you would have do the same. You lucky say it's not your grandmother. Your grandmother would have should have spit in her hand and box
You know
for
how
that.
you come by? Right, I'm here one dinner, mommy.
Listen.
In Canada, it's not my father. It's not my father. It's if there must be a canteen and me, I go away. I go up on my father, go stay. And if you anyone down here.
If I saw so,
But me go suck salt for the meantime.
yes, because why rain a
But
fall, but
one
dirty
day,
tough right
the
now.
salt I got done.
Mm-hmm.
One day the salt I got done or it I got turn over.
Baby, me not say this is forever, you know. This just give me the inspiration to work even harder and faster. Cause why there is no comfortableness here.
Okay, mommy.
So just bear
Mommy
out.
hungry, mommy.
Me know me hungry too. Boy, me have to go work out and then approach him. And my brother still, me know how to deal with him. Okay, I try act big to make first impression. And my brother know how to deal with it. So, I gotta go talk to him, because I have no money. So, I gotta talk to him and see what we can find in with him. But remember, alright, just suck the salt and bear it. It's not going to be for long. I promise you that.
Alright, mommy.
I'll go. Not for long. I don't know what I have to do. I take a look and see if we see Popeye. I don't even know when him leave. And him a talk about manners. And him leave and him never. I mean, like we know same gone. Hey, afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You alright?
Yeah.
Yeah, look for Popeye. You see him?
No? You buy yacht, you come buy yacht team.
No, that's where I come from. That's where I come from. You just leave out to the yard and make me know same gone.
Well, I'm going to Papa Friday. Now I'm going to over yard. I probably ain't gonna work, but I'm going to put him at work because him from money. Somebody know when they. What happened?
Why, right, you know, me in a kind of distress. I walk from far. Long story short, girl, me and my man catch up and me come down to see Popeye and he just disappear. He's supposed to get me something to eat, me and my daughter. I mean, you know, where him there? I shop and want go get something. Come my baby, I cry, say, oh, she hungry, and wear my piece up and she hungry bad. So, boy, one day she can do me a favor. You can give me something small and me buy something to eat for here and then Popeye will give it back to you.
Well, me tell you the truth, you know. I don't have no money at all. I only have the dead $200. Yes, we only have $200 when we can give you.
Oh, God bless you.
You can buy Pepsi.
Yeah, man.
I want to buy juice.
Aye, thank you.
Money. But you have to give me back, man. That good.
Really? Mm-hmm. There really is good people in the world. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
I'll get you where you go through right now in a life. Yeah.
All right. If you see Popeye, tell him to me I look for him. Yeah?
Yes, if we see him.
All right. Thank you. Me gonna shop.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bless.
Oh, God is there still.
Well, baby. You're right. Well, we can't manage the sun hot bad. I couldn't find Popeye and just dancing in the wearing gone. So he's a lady me meet out the street and she helped me with $200. So I buy this steak, huh? This can cool you down and...
What is that? Mommy, me don't want no Pepsi, me want a big juice.
And a big juice this?
No, mommy, me want a big chew juice. I never tell us me want no drink. There's some want food in my belly. I can't Pepsi, come give me.
Well, you can't get blood from a stone. Your uncle gone, me don't know where him gone. You're lucky you get this, cause you nearly never get nothing. It's an angel me meet out the street, and she give me her last $200. This you drink the Pepsi and it will bring up the gas.
Bring up which gas? Pepsi don't bring up gas, mommy.
It will bring up the gas, the fizzing.
Everybody can't want ginger beer come now.
Rich on
Everybody can't want ginger beer come now. When I know I say yes, we can't box the gas.
They never had no ginger beer.
They never could have. Look at my shop there. Look at my shop with pass.
Well, try you go out and get me walking in the hot sun.
No, I'm not going out there.
Exactly.
I'm hungry. Going that Uncle Kitchen go sell us no food.
Not day in there. I'm probably gonna shop.
Looking
how we come. I mean, I'll search up in room, cause him done come with rules already. Like, so we are not family. Me don't know where him from.
Mommy, me don't want the Pepsi. You
me will drink the Pepsi and belch. I'm belch
well,
twice.
Drink so. And belch.
And then nobody come.
Me will go around at the kitchen go see me find on flour for yam.
Go find it then.
You know
and I need it good too. Remember for wash your hand. Remember for wash your hand. Little rich and grateful, doing. She knows we have it hard and she's still at bada. I'll take it some time, man.
Oh boy. Watch out.
Oh.
Watch out.
Papa, there you are.
Watch out. See all of us sitting here, man.
Me look for you all over and can't find you.
Am I lost? Eh?
How you deal with me, sir? What me do you, sir? Across your spirits.
Me don't like your attitude.
What attitude? All me do is come out to the house and say, there you are, brother. Which kind of attitude me have? If anybody have attitude, is you from me come your face sour and froze you up.
Listen, me, man.
And what so? What me do you?
Alright.
Wow,
You're not gonna look for work.
Brother, I like to say you take this thing for joke. Me tell you what happened. We're not even there 24 hours. Me not even find school for Riri yet. Me get chance to look for work. Just yesterday me come, brother. Jeez and peace, you can't make me breeze off.
Let me ask you a question. Am I her puppy? Huh?
Me give you ownership. Me give you jackets. Me give you tie. Me give you coats. Me give you shoes.
Listen to me. I need you to get a work quick and fast. Bills got to pay.
You know, see the small bag me coming out the house with. You know, see the small bag me coming. I just two little things me can scrape up and run out with. And most of them is Riri. So here, all right, me'll find work.
No, listen.
You go give me money for go buy clothes for interview. Me will reimburse you, you know. Since everything is business.
Give money away.
Well then, since you want me to go look work right here now. Me not have clothes for go for interview. I have to go out street. Come and tear up clothes. The clothes me have on tear up.
The worst thing is to make your family member living in your house with you because they will take you for garbage heap.
Me not even there for 24 hours, brother. Which kind of garbage heap me can really take you for?
I feel like the garbage truck a pop through the neighborhood. Pop.
And where do it take you?
I don't like it, man.
How would that take you, sir?
They are peaceful. Your daughter up here poop up in place. Make him, it's like...
So you're going to charge for piss and shit now?
No.
Well, I wonder.
She a poop too much. I mean,
and a natural body thing that if you not poop my body, you go doctor. And if you poop not stink, you definitely go doctor. What's wrong with you?
When me in my own house, I come out and do a come poop.
Which part? When me and you and Johnny and Sarah did a share bed when we grow up, appear your poop we smell. And you all lift up the sheet and cover up over our head. True, you are the bigger one. And hold it down, make we breathe it. Breathe it in. I like it too. Huh?
Yeah.
So it's alright for you to do it when we are youth.
But this is a little piece of tea and enough to do it.
Nothing do it now at all. She not in the same bed with you. She not in the
No, I was in the hall. I was in the hall and she come in there and leg up. You know what she gonna say? I might bat if you Lego free. But I want Lego a kicking next time in poop and send it back right when
touch me picnic for poop. Me understand the other day when we come, you grab up her here. You not buy no here, but you grab her here. But I agree because she did reckon out her order.
This is the first thing you tell her parents.
Touch me picnic for poop.
That's the way you gone bad. You put in fast here. And you saying chat to you because you make him be a lady. Yes, when you have a look at
yes, lady, not girl.
Do not make them do their nails and toenail, their eyelash, their makeup, then put in ear because they won't talk to you like a big woman.
Sorry, me, I look when you get sex change. Me want to know when you turn woman. And guide me how my girl child for dress. Me want to know when you turn woman. For come guide me when how my girl child for dress. Huh?
You remember what happened to Cuz? You remember what happened to her?
That is cause and anti-business. Me is
in
not.
Him when he picked me at 12.
Me is not.
Breed when my 13.
She passed 13 and she not breed. She passed 14, she not breed. She passed 15. She passed 16. As a matter of fact, right, you know she legal and she not do that.
Who if you tell her that she not dash her belly? Come tell her that yesterday when she come and she raw. Who if you tell her that she not kill it?
Papai.
Answer my question. Then I get pick me again.
Time my glasses before my current dark pie, papai. Talk my daughter in your mouth. If you don't have nothing to say, take my daughter name out of your mouth and stop wish down thing for me picnic.
But teach you something. So there got people here called stay. You do not bring company with you. You left your picnic somewhere else. Left in my park.
Me picnic they on my back.
Because you know.
Me not the like a man. Me not breed man and just gone so.
Me one there, you know. Look, me one live here, you know. And my gas serve me for 1 year. No, you come here and your picnic. You not go last me for 2 months.
So me tell you, so me not gonna help. Huh? When you did dump on your backside before mommy gone, and you dump on your backside and mommy bring you in, huh? What you don't know is that mama used to turn to me. Me. When she couldn't find nothing but rock stone for putting a pot.
Yeah, all right.
And me she turned
All right.
to. You
All
find
right.
out now.
Mama,
huh?
mama,
And I never remember your name.
all right,
Brother.
let me
Your name family.
Let me correct it to you now. You find the money, right? But a mommy me eat from.
So how
mommy me get
mama
everything
get
from.
food for buy me.
I
never
don't
help
matter.
her.
She could have even go over the bridge.
So what in the
She me get it from. Not you. You should have carried money come give me.
Alright.
If you want help me, you help me. You don't pass it to one and then the next and come to me. You don't reach to me.
No problem. It don't reach you. You're not bang belly when we did it at mama house.
Mommy money.
Your name bang.
When they give to her a PR, it belongs to her. Then she spend it for me.
You really teach me something.
No, you have to learn.
No, I'm grateful.
Yeah.
Thank you. You really teach me something.
If I give you
You
this phone
teach me
right
what-
now,
why?
and you take it give your daughter, I know me come from. And you come from because me give you. And that me I try make you understand. I give you. And
Why?
you give it to your daughter. I can't go take it from your daughter. And you have to
when you're
take it.
desperate and you need people help.
That's why you know if you can't.
Why? Them take your little asking for help and throw dirty water and shit in your face. No problem, brother. No problem.
You see why I'm cutting here?
No problem.
You see why I'm in a ras again? Cause this is the thing. I can't mix in that line of language we don't know.
Hi, let me tell you something before you bring on Ras into this. First of all, you did dread, you know Ras.
Yeah.
You not Rastafari is a liberty. You never live. You have little knot up on your head. You're not Rasta. You're dreadlocks, and you cut that. So no bother bringing but Rasta life. Me can tell you about Rastafari, cause me live it. You are dread cause you want to smoke your weed. Excuse your look. Cause when the police hold you, I'm a Rasta. I'm a Rasta. This is my sacrament. This is my sacrament. Huh? Until you say you got baptized now, you can, a church make you cut off your hair. Nobody come talk to me about nothing. You too lie.
Me want you know. I give you 2 more days to find work, you know. If you don't find work in a 2 more days, dog now only give me supper, you know. Dog I give me everything from you.
No problem. No problem. Help me with clothes. Can you expect me to find work in here 2 days in material clothes?
See there?
Huh?
You cut out
Me go on the road,
you cut the pants. You cut the pants. Why sense? You have money. Cause I never
borrow
cut
me have to borrow this from Riri. A Riri clothes.
I
Me
saw-
not have no
I
clothes.
saw your daughter in fat.
And the clothes.
that the map tick you will pass yesterday the fat stuff.
Let me come out to your site. You see?
You better go
Come
check
here,
it in your
go
ears. You better go check it in
You should
your
get
ears.
ears and you should get it from.
Because
And you should come out to let me leave. Let me leave before me do something. Oh.
You watch me on him. You watch me on her. I wish you there. Yes, you Mr. Pupisha.
Mira, when you Pupisha.
Yeah, cause from there me see you are pooping now. From there me see you are poop. Let me ask you something. You feel like you come here to live free rental? Eh? You come here to help clean up your place. Cobweb down the place. You can't come up here for place and not treat it good. You understand?
So you never know say we cobweb now in place before me come here. Or if me never come here, we don't know say cobweb up nice ceiling we want clean.
I never use this back room in it. I only put it to reserve.
Suppose somebody come and want the house rent. I say, would I give him and tell him say, me have to clean down cobweb?
Rent way.
Yeah.
Me a rent place, me look like a landlord. Me can't put up with no nasty people. Cause me,
Nasty.
if I was a real landlord, me pay
Because
for
me can't see this place nasty. That's what I'm telling me now. Me don't know what mommy make me waste. Come down and suck them a salt and take them a bad liberty here.
No, an assault. An assault if you suck.
How?
Suck something better than salt. More salt. Yeah, suck salt.
Me never turn on yard, you know. Me have to walk come there and say na accent, you know.
You lucky.
Yes, me I walk for just to reach here and at least me come up in a. You feel me not hear out a door, a class, me mom me dash a belly. You this me dash a belly.
You laddie. You dash with that. Me no. Look for your ears or your ears, say a young girl. Eh? Look for your ears to say you're 16. Eh?
So I mean ears all I have bad.
Look for your nose. You put in. You see, if I were your daddy, I
Thank
clap.
God say you know me daddy.
When I don't clap your prisoner, no miss me, no. Because they give me life. Because when I don't box you, you know, no face left.
Oh.
Only if you act like a pitney.
I mean not like a pitney. Just show me boy me nose. What is that?
Skettle ways.
What's kettle?
Any young girl we boy them ears up here so and them nose and full up of piercing.
Any man allowed chat with them call, we call him. You know, some me there, me been a suck for too long. And me get one day, me go just, it's all go either turn over or go down and me go disrespect you. You work for it, sir. As me uncle, before you guide me, you let tell me, boy, me to clean cobweb and wipe down your room. What for wipe down your room? You know, I want woman.
When we guide you to?
Show me road and protect me.
If me, the last time, you were here when you was 10 and I said to you, say, come on, we're going to church. What you said to me, say? Huh?
Say me no remember call on that day.
You tell me, say, church after the week. That's
yes,
for me.
wicked people don't go to the church then. Wicked people don't go start the church. Me and you not gonna know start the church.
Mama, back up your mouth. Anytime you mention start the church in your mouth, take it back out, here. Take it back out. Cause first thing, your mama not no money. Your mama not no house. And my roof, your hand, me can put on the backside out of the door, you know.
See, and then Sunday you use gangs. Just so we don't have no money and no house. So me don't know what me money that build one house, you know.
Me?
I come out of this stuff.
Oh, me just remember this. You see the toilet? I realized that you flush the toilet more than 6 times, you know. Let me tell you this.
I have to spend top on nobody, please.
I put a lock up on my toilet down there so before I go down in the pit. And I mark where the water is. And we can be so much water only use. Only is that dirty, nasty, disgusting family. Me don't know how some people
and
put up with it.
And you know, wicked better go on. Leave me alone and go on.
In my own house, I can't go kids. In my own house.
Mommy! Mommy!
She not there. In my own house. In my own house, I can't go kids. Eh? How you do? What you do? Hey, don't ramp with me, no. Don't ramp with me. You see, under my roof, come with my rules. You hear me, I say? You see, next time you talk to me, so, you're not going to like it. I told your teeth, you're going to take out. And you see, nose ring, me just hold it and go, so, pew! And pull out it. Tell her that. And when you also wear no skirt, no dress, no shorts. You wear good clothes. You be picnic. I don't wear no tight scene neither. You fit just like a lady. And that just like a skettle. There's two things different from a lady and a skettle. A skettle wear short skirt to show a man under their foot. See them? I bend over. Then the style and work yourself. I'm teaching you something how to be a lady.
No.
Yes, tell me now, guide you. No, me I guide you.
Guide me, alright.
Take out the pole tick there out of your ears. You hear? Take out the pole tick.
I'm a weapon.
Me believe you. I believe you. This shit not far from the block. You hear? I believe you, yeah? Alright. Me don't hit it for your last chance.
What's the man this hurt me? Mash up head of the board. Mommy gone. You see that bad baby see me today as I suck sprout with until she come here.
Hey, girl.
What you did there?
You work enough. Try find work. Your uncle them pressure me hard.
You know, say uncle come in here come beat me.
What do you mean uncle come in here come beat?
I tell me about how me to clean. I take down cobweb and clean your room and clean everywhere.
Do you feel clean, yes? But what do you mean in beat you? Beat you how?
In use and bag and lick me head in the board up over there, so.
Lick your head where?
Over there, so mommy.
Hold on.
And then you get a broom and lick me.
You do what?
Get a broom and lick me.
Hold on. You did backtrack him first?
No, mommy, you come
so when
here.
You take up broom and lick you for? Lick my picnic for?
Just for me tell him, say me now go clean out cupboard because me come here can't see.
And I let him take broom lick you for?
Yes.
When
and
then?
so me say, him for learn for guide me, I guide him for guide me, and I beat him for beat me, and I talk down to me. And instead of him go ring out this out of my ears and tear out my nose.
Well, and him buy nothing give you. I him give you permission for pierce your ears. I him buy nothing give you to ring out and take out what? You alright, let me see you. You don't have no scratch? You have no mark?
No, mommy.
Where him hurt you? Him hurt you?
Yes, my head hurt me.
When there?
We pass him out the door to say I wash.
Wash?
Yes.
Me go deal with that. Lick my picnic? Lick my picnic? Hi. Good evening.
Good evening.
You alright?
You know, so me meet you the other day, me never get your name. I see your name again.
I'm Shaz.
Nice to meet you, Shaz.
And you, what your name?
My name is Kayla.
Kayla. I wanted to say thank you, you know.
You're
How you
welcome.
really helped me the other day and all when you don't know me. But me not have nothing upon me right now to give it back to you. But me'll get a job and we'll work and find myself together, we'll pay you back.
No, you don't have to bring back a time. You tell me that with a will in a heart. You understand? I kindness in my heart, you know?
Thank you.
Sometimes I help people when they're in need of things. You understand? Even when you laugh, I have to help them. You understand?
Thank you. God bless you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh God. Right now, me I look at work. You know, anybody I look for anything, me'll wash, me'll clean, me'll babysit, me'll wash car, me'll do anything.
You know, so me I tell you the truth. For God love. Me myself want a job. I don't have it. See, so? It's a little bit of syrup in a water back of me I drink. I don't have it. I broke like a dog. Broke than even dog.
You know that
I'm
one.
sorry for the situation we're in. I said, but who you up with, by the way?
So-called family. Girl, me no, my spirit take you. Me feel so me can talk to you.
Uh-huh.
Maybe it's into a problem with my baby father.
Yeah,
right?
you did tell me that, yeah.
Aye. And me and my daughter have to lift up quick with the clothes from my back, you know. And I say, we'll walk. The tail to my mouth dry. And me come to my brother. Can you see how me and him did live?
Yeah.
And with that same mother, you know. You see when we grew up, him and my bigger brother. If fly pitch from me, I saw him and lick off the fly. Not even fly can pitch from me, you know. So you see when the shit hit the fan, me say me come to my brother. Girl.
So why your brother home?
He turn up and him sour face for me and my niece.
Who your brother? Who your brother?
Popeye. You hear me ask him the other day. When we come, if me come in the room, him gone out to the room. When we come the other day, you know, him not even tell we say gone, him gone, you know. When you see me, I walk and I look for him. God bless you.
No, mommy, I tell you, Papa, I need to get better. Papa, I need to get better. And Papa, everything is not like Papa, I don't have it. Papa, I can more than help you, man. Give my behave, so. Don't cry, don't cry at all, don't cry.
In my pressure me, right? Like you said me not try. Like you said me not do nothing. It's me and my daughter, you know. Like you said me not gonna teach my daughter to be independent. And come for me today. Me sorry, baby, but and come for me today. Find a job. You find a job, yeah. Girl, this is my daughter clothes, you know. Me no wear tear up clothes. At this way I have to drag on and run out of the house. When him a beat me. And me can't take it no more. And then Papa come to me and say, you find work yet? You find work yet? You have to do this. Girl, you know him even tell me with my 16-year-old daughter, him are the only man can lock door in a house. Huh? Me might be desperate, but me not down.
Oh God!
My daughter for come out the bathroom as a 16-year-old and a locked door. No, sir.
So Papa, I look wife and you own a niece.
Me no, but no, man. You know what Duppy take him, you know?
Me need to talk to the man there, cause Papa not going good in her life. Me need to talk to him.
Because why me never see this coming. My own brother. Sometimes family wicked, you know.
And one advice alone I can give to you. And that advice is just walk until you find work. Because me assure you say, all me, for sure the system mash up, you know. You don't want to know, say, me forget to work at hotel right now. It come like say me have to be friend with one police. Like me and one police have to be friend. Come here, say, No, sometimes I'm praise for that. I'm in a station, go beg friends for police. So, that come
The
about.
world set funny, it's set for keep poor
This
people down
system do
and
not
rich
like black
people
people.
rich. Here,
Yes, I said for true, but and I said to you, Charmaine, God will provide, you will make it out. All you have to do is just walk and believe in a God. You see, I know that a man that they do look a black construction site. If you know if you lift black, you tell him say we lift black and put it in that man right there. So.
yeah, man, we'll
You
do
mean help,
anything.
yeah?
Thank you.
Alright. Go
Alright.
on, me I come go for Papa
Alright.
now.
Me I go straighten myself up. Me look alright. I gotta talk to him.
Yes.
Me look alright.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta talk to him. Thank you, yeah, girl.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Later.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
How are you?
I never know say I saw you like one in a life.
Oh, good, that's
Eh?
it. Nice.
No, you're not going nice, you're not going good.
Woman,
So,
George,
you can tell me, say, you have your sister, right? I you treat her, so. Come see up on you with a body living here, what time?
Oh, man, I have to check him with blood, because sometimes some of them woman, you have to check to see if they're sick.
Maybe it's about your woman fancy. Me I talk about your sister.
Anyway, you're good, you alright? Huh?
Papa, me know you hear me I say.
Huh?
Me know you hear me I say. Me know you know them.
No, I'm not here.
Me I talk about your sister Charmaine.
Oh, you're hungry?
No,
You're
I'm not hungry. God, Jesus. Can Papa something with the ears? Me I talk about your sister who you not take
talk
care.
about me, you come and talk about me.
You know, see, you know, see your heart not clean, your heart dirty. Have you say you go to church? Your heart is very dirty.
How far? Yo, let me tell you this. My heart always clean, I drink coconut water at least every week. Then when you drink coconut water, I wash off your heart.
Your heart not pure at all. No pure little that the heart
You think
is.
I syrup this? Don't
syrup,
mention
yeah.
that name pure.
Kalkana, me can't believe say you have your sister and you treat your sister so bad.
Oh.
All your niece you treat bad.
Oh,
You're so bad mind, man.
me bad night.
Your sister to me on the road and said about living your water. Say yeah, say she can't go look work, bills to pay and you not take any hottest thing about it to Papa. She go say yeah, say they don't have no privacy. So her young 16-year-old daughter must walk round. You see your own and his front. Oh, you're so
No,
perverted.
when me say they not no privacy, me mean like they don't have no talking on my oath to lock certain door.
Well, she said she have to lock the door when her daughter they come out of the bottle, so she go and lock it.
Talk about that part because me myself tell her to wear long clothes.
Well, I mean, if you got better, I help your
So
sister.
she come party and chat me.
And a ball, she not chat
me.
No, she not chatting you. She's explaining to me what happened, Papa. She has said she has suffered, Papa. Her own baby father threw her out. Yeah. And she walked. She said she came to say she walked for one night straight. And when she come, she hungry like a dog. Papa, you know, say I make her 200 when she look for the other day. The other day when she look for that 200, I'm look for that girl, you know. And I look back for the 200 time me talk and me do for her. But me I show you something. You too bad mind man and corrupt.
Me can ask you a question?
Talk.
How you know say I did my sister?
Me never know see your sister when me give her the money. I never knew that. You know me know see your sister? Today, if I never know how you did your sister, would I tell her the day say over Miss Pew's yard? Because I think I never see you. I see them, me think, say, I did what I did think I would your woman them. Me think I would your woman them, but I never your woman.
Yeah,
and your sister. Me now watch your papa. But me come with say, you're too corrupt, papa, you're too corrupt, man. You can't give woman one better room. Better say back room and give the woman. No window, no door, one exit.
Let me ask you a question. If you get somewhere free if it's there, you not take it?
Yes! But you kids, you want let them a prison now. You don't have no window and no back door, only one exit. If you want to see bun gun, God forbid it. Then gone.
Where last I go? Funeral for days.
You know me not like your style. I'm gonna leave you be. Mr. Come if I talk to you and take good care of your sister.
Me I had this good friend until my sister come here now and interrupt and didn't make life. You make me a draw a line, you know. Crossing now. Because you know, when you hear people business, you're gone, right now, we know you, they put on the road, go chat this now, you know. Because you lavish your mouth too much. If my sister come back, they go talk to him one more time. Do not carry me business on the road. There's a song says the people business and leave it alone. I know listen.
We can't leave this business here alone. It's a business you need father God in like you're too wicked. Now hot son. Papa, I know you have money, Papa. Oh yeah, you can just build one house. You have money, you know. And I like you don't have it, Papa. Papa, you have it.
You know
One house.
when she did there, your husband, nice two-floor house, cock up in a AC, right? Eating big steak. He never knows and turn there come when the man put him out. The man, me, she not tell me, you know, but when he come in, I go and flash in her face. The man take up a nice young brown skin girl. So when you see the girl, hot like a 10 fireside. Tell me now. You tell me.
No, mix up conversation with you
If
right
my
now.
sister is smart enough and standing at the house, she don't have it's either the bottom floor or the top floor because guess what? It's one thing in our relationship for 5 years, I take 5 years, even if I don't pick for the man, half of every damn thing is for you because you're legally married right there, so. You understand? She not smart and that.
I you too blasted bad man and that with you, not they come go me yard. Come on, me if you have nothing.
You know what is bad mind?
What is bad mind?
People like Uno.
Me? I don't bad mind nothing what you got. All I see as a sister, you want to take good care of that time me and say me take my leave.
You're bad mind.
You and Father God gonna whip you. God gonna whip, we saying God whip you, you're gonna know how God will deal with you.
And make God whip me if God should whip me. I'm good with it. Okay? Don't come back on my yard. Yeah, I'm bright.
Oh, Popeye. What happened with you and Riri earlier? Cause she tell me say you put your hand on her. What happened? What happened?
Let me put my hand on him. You should have known that. I see a lot of bruises and a mark. That look ranking, chilliping, pilliping, kunomono. Me not know what else to call him. That girl.
So you not let me pick me?
Me tell her if I did lick him. If I did, not him, her. If I did lick her, she'd have to the moon by now. That girl ain't no man at all. The girl all up on me and think can come man in my house. Him a go breathe under my roof. You
How
tell me
she
now.
tell you that and she not even have boyfriend? Man, make up story about me pick me, you know?
Me no make up story. That them look a piece
Because right now, Papa, me look for my daughter have a cup on her forehead. So how me pick me get cup on her forehead, Papa? And when me leave, me she never have no mark on her forehead.
Listen to me. Ask her about the man that coming on my yard and me run out with the machine.
From my face.
Me tell her that. You see that little girl we have in there? She's nothing but a piece of B-I-T-C-H-E-S.
Mine when you say about me pick me. So Papa, me like for one, you know. Cause mama teach me never you hit first, but you never you take the last blow. So me love for one first. Me never there. So me know what go on with you and pick me. But me know when me leave out me pick me fine. And when me come back me pick me, I tell me say you lick her and now she have mop on her head coke come up. So make me done. Stick a pin, make me finish. You see my pick me?
Out of your pick me,
my pick me, you know?
Out of me are your pick me. Who you believe?
Why? You see, if it was the old days, you see, if it was the old days,
but
as
me,
you talk
not
about
sure
that,
I've seen. She can be picked up from the hospital.
As you talk about that, you see, when it's the old days with the Popeye brother, bigger brother, me no one love.
Yeah.
Me would I say.
Yeah.
Why? Pick me can't lie. But me no know which duppy come to. I me no know what duppy. I me no know you right now. I me see certain movements and me no know.
I want to say something to you. Me can say something to you. Stop wearing the dark glass because I blind if I see the truth when I try to tell you.
Me, I take off my glasses and look in your eye and tell you the same thing. Make anything more happen to me picnic, Popeye. Me kill for me picnic, you know? Me go jail for me picnic, you know? I chew you name, brother. Me come out and ask what go on, you know? Cause my head hot when it comes to my picnic, you know? All tears me I cry for my picnic right you know, you know.
I don't business head. Your head could have had like country pepper, bell pepper, chili pepper, all kind of pepper. You could have have a dozen pepper. I don't care. 20 pepper, I don't care. Your head could have had like lava.
Kuya.
I don't give a damn.
Touch my picnic
My
again.
yard, my
Touch my
rule.
picnic again. Touch my picnic again and you wish I phone for the police.
All right.
Touch my picnic again.
Make she get up
Me
one
come.
morning and I clean up the place and I rake up the yard and I wash up the plate. Eh? Make sure do that.
Me teach my picnic chores and manners here.
She don't
And
know
she not
none.
come as no slave.
Me see she wash
Me
plate.
see you what?
And when me take up the plate, I can definitely not see my face in it.
A good thing she not see you not see your face in it. So you have the plate still though. If you did ever see your ugly face in it, the plate crash and broke.
So,
here what?
okay.
Me I give my warning right here, sir, and now take your foot out of my face.
You don't have no one in my yard and
Touch
my house.
the picnic.
Did you
again.
put a nail in that?
Touch me. As you na business, me not care. Touch my picnic again. Touch my picnic again, Popeye.
Oh my God! Oh
Me
my
don't put
God!
up with anything in-
God!
Oh my God!
Oh my
God!
Oh my
Touch my
God.
picnic, you know, gonna know God.
In my place.
Hell, you're
In
gonna
my
know the devil,
place.
and you're gonna know everything.
Do you know how I buy those boats?
My business.
Do
Touch my
you know
picnic.
how I build
Touch
that?
my picnic.
Do you
Me will
know
kill you
how I
raw
get
for the
Wi-Fi?
picnic.
Do you know how I pay my
So,
bills?
here what?
Huh?
Here what?
I did not
Here what?
teach JPS wire.
Here what?
I string my own
Me no
legal
business with all
wire.
of that, you know. All me business with touch my picnic. Go suck to my picnic again. Go suck to my picnic again and see what happens. Yeah, me love for one first.
You see?
Me warn you.
It want to come and
Me
fight
warn
me
you.
off. And that you do.
And you come start it.
It want to
You
come to my house and
touch
fight me off.
picnic.
And of that, any day
Me
I'm ready.
lick her put up
Any
for
day
you
I'm
the
ready.
same.
I'm ready for you.
Ready?
Yeah?
Ready?
Any day I'm
Touch
ready.
my picnic again and see what happens.
Any day I'm
Me
ready.
love for one. Touch my
All
picnic
right.
again and see what happens.
But when me
See
done with
who
you,
name
I'll lap
God
them
in here.
fly off. You turn ballad. You know, after Rasta be a Rasta. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm ranking out all that. Riri! What up, girl there? Riri! Come. We need to go up on the road. We need to talk to you, but we're not doing it in here. Cause my facey brother ain't enough. And me will do something. So come. You go get your shoes. We'll go for a walk. I need to talk to you. I need to talk to you now. Come. Make we leave the yard first. Walls have ears, in it. We need to come out to the yard because your sick uncle are driving me mad. Come and sit down in the shades.
We all here.
Cause me no want to talk around him. And me need to talk to you. We have to work out what we are doing.
Yes, sir.
Riri, answer me honestly.
This moment.
Me move my glasses to make sure she's looking at my eye them. You have man?
I don't forget, man. From me, even I leave the yard.
He may tell me, say,
Yeah.
him not put him hand pon you. Anyhow him did lick you with a see more cuts and bruises. And how you have man a coming at the yard.
Mommy,
And him have to run man with machete.
Mommy, I lie. It's best if we just pack up and leave. Cause me cannot bother. Why? When me find time find man to carry in our house?
And that me a pray because me know you.
Mommy, me didn't even leave the house. Me didn't even go nowhere. Me didn't even know nobody up here.
So where you...
I lie, Mattel.
Me know I lie, Mattel.
Mommy, can we leave then? Can we leave?
Yeah, hear what, baby? Sometimes you have to do what you don't want to do in this life. We're not in a position to leave yet. Trust me, it might give me the inspiration to leave and do something too. But we not go there, right? You know? And we a hold the blade and him a hold the handle. So, me I work and God go and help me find something. Me have to find something.
Okay.
Before the week done. Today a Wednesday before weekend. Me have to find something. If a floor me have to scrub, me have to find something. And we are going to build up. We've done it before. We're going to build up, and we're going to build up even bigger and better. Because the bigger the test, the bigger the blessing.
Okay.
Hear what me I go beg you for. The beg, me I beg you. Cause boy, me no know what up you take your uncle. You see, when me not there, cause me not going to be there all the time.
Yeah, mommy.
Cause me have to go work and me have to go try look place and everything. Cause we can't on here. Me can't
Yes,
take it.
mommy.
Me can't take it. Me go kill somebody. So me can't take it. So before that happen, me I beg you, Riri. Me know, say me raise you and say people have to earn respect, not demand it.
Yes, mommy.
But like how we hold the blade right now. You see if the dirty dog come in and tell you, say, lift this your glass, lift it.
Yeah.
Nobody screw up. I just know, say, enough forever.
Alright, mommy.
Alright?
Yes, sir.
Right now, we're handing a lion mouth. We have to take time, take it out. We have to kind of keep him sweet. Anything, he complain to me.
Yes, mommy. Cause they say, monkey never know. How you go? Monkey never know you sign tail until he lose it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, mommy. So me I go back over. So which party I go now? I go look work.
Me don't know where me I go. Me talk to a man about construction, he just look at me and laugh and tell me say my name woman. So yeah, make up find something. At the same time, I kinda glad him do that too, because it make me more determined. So make we batter down. Anything, you just bite your lip here. You
Alright,
just
mommy.
bite your lip and you tell me. Me know how to deal with him.
Okay.
Because for once, I'm gonna beg you not to answer him back.
Yeah.
Even though he deserve it for me. Because anyhow they name there. And that same put him hand on my picnic. And me bringing her this your world. So better that. North and south. East and west. Keep away from him.
Alright, mommy. Me I go out for now.
Alright. Go lock yourself in the room here.
Yes,
Me I go
mommy.
try find something. See
Yeah.
a bite man I come, me I go talk to it. Me have to find something because I can't take this. Baby, we go walk on the road and see if we can find anything. Anything at all.
Yeah, if I ever find something, mommy, I can buy more on Thursday.
You thirsty again?
Me back again.
Alright. We have to pass the shop anyway. And the last $100 this, I can get you a water, yeah?
Alright.
And the two I will share it. Little bit.
Alright, so, tongue around this one. Syrup.
Good evening. Good evening. Hi. Hi. How are you doing? I'm okay. I was walking on the street and asking you, please, if you could give me $100 to buy something to eat, because I didn't eat for about 3 days. So 3 days. If you don't have it, you don't have to worry yourself. Food is life, no. Food is life. It's my last one. Yeah. A lady did give me her last 200 the other. So, where you find? I walk and look somewhere. No. What is your name? My name is Shaz. Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. Okay. You know have anybody looking at you do anything, Me wash car, me wash clothes, me will look after picnic, me will wash dog, me will do anything. You sure that you're walking on the street and looking for work? Me I look for anything, Mum. Me I look for anything. Come, that's why I give you 100. Come and know what it is to be hungry. This is the first time I've been seeing someone walking and looking for a job, because these people nowadays, they don't want to work. They just want to walk around and take what don't belong to them. And that is thief, Thief, you'd say theft. Yes, that is not right. You work for what you want. The Bible says, by the sweat of your brow you shall eat bread. I am not working, but at the end of the day, I didn't steal your $100. I asked you for it. No, me give it with blessings, bro. And I thank you very much for this. I'm going to make sure when I buy this, whatever to eat, I'm going to bless you and God is, God is going to bless you. And it's a good for you. That job, and I pray I'll meet you again. Yes, sir. And I pray that everything will work. Hopefully, if I beat you again. One hundred and she gave it to me. Thank you. You're gonna be set. Next time when you see me, I know you're not hearing me, but the next time when you see me, you're going to surprise me. A big surprise about God. Riri, Riri, come. You want to go in and go back out. I have to talk to that man now. Riri, come, man. Come and start here and then go back on the road. I just come to let you know, sir. You never get the water. You never get the water.
What do you mean by I never get the water juice? Mommy, what you mean?
Hear me out, hear me out. Meet a lady on the road. And she needed it more than me.
What you mean by she need it more?
She the same way somebody helped me the other day and give me her loss are the same way. You have to pay it forward.
I'm thirsty. I take your money and give people when me they are thirsty. So what me if you do
You
now?
can drink pipe water their pipe.
You run my belly. You remember what you do to me last
Put
time?
little sprinkle salt in it.
Confronts! Why? Why? You went for the drink it to make you run the belly? Huh? So,
Papai.
you think you're better than pipe water?
Papai.
Huh?
Me a talk to you, me a talk to you.
And what you think?
Papai.
Are you me a
I talk to my picnic. What it have to do with you?
Listen to me.
Me there I talk to my picnic
Me I
privately.
talk to my niece publicly. Cause me not in a nothing name privately.
As me see.
Listen what me I say now. You see if your mother tell you say.
Mommy, I want to me a tell you.
You know as no man. You must have little respect for your mother. As much as me not like my sister. You have to have respect.
So what I do say me not have respect?
Pick the like uno. Breathe before time.
Me a breathe.
Pick the like uno.
Breathe have a breathe when I breathe before time.
We don't know if you yam it.
Nobody got too far now.
Mommy, I'm
He's back when you did discipline her.
We keep from the day you're thirsty. I took you last unto the
Take it out of my face. Me tell you about that already.
Eh! You so damn right. You are the last $100 and I'm taking come give your brother. Huh?
Give who? If my child not get nothing, me not get nothing. How we can take it?
What you have a drink?
Pipe
The
water.
same pipe water.
Me never drink a pipe water.
Time so they get thirsty.
So you
then.
want to get the money
I
somewhere
think I'm talk
else
to you.
and give me
I think I'm
juice.
talk to
You
you.
know I said the
Yes, if you get licked, me try to defend you. Yes, if you get licked, I'm tired of everybody know.
Yes, yeah, you forget two out of these two. After you making chat to you.
If you're thinking your man, Sefe.
Then you
Sefe. My hand there behind me back, Sefe.
you see, 2 minutes I say, on the love on the local powder business. I not put a hand on you. Come in, I want to look more right now. Make me hand them swell up.
You better know.
As me I say, that's why I don't go for no woman and breed them enough. I make sure I tie them up and dash them in a
Can't breed. Stop chat fart.
Because
Can't breed or won't breed. Tell the truth, Papa.
won't
From
breed
you
a
know
woman.
you not have no pick there. That means you either can't get woman or you can't breed or the two in a 1 year. So nobody come talk to us experts who is a
Look for me
mother.
good. That's a ugly boy. A 199 woman I got.
Yeah, not one there around you.
And I beat.
Not one there around you.
You know why they don't around me? See when I go along. Bad mind.
Yeah.
Jealousy.
Bad worker always
Because
blame the tool. Bad
the
worker
very
blame the tool.
Look how wicked.
Bad worker blame the tool. That's
Look
all
at
I
him.
can say.
Your baby daddy.
Now bring my baby daddy.
The man that go to 2 suitcases to the clothes to come out. The man go on knapsack. A school bag like a little picnic, you know, they look picnic when they run away.
Him not give me my daughter's school bag, me work hard and buy for my picnic. Now would I even give him that?
So why you never go on 2 suitcases to come out with? One.
Kind of worthless. He's a worthless crop.
The man don't work with.
Dirty man too.
And listen.
Dirty man too.
I go check my brother-in-law, because my brother-in-law for life.
Me want to know where you get brother-in-law and him not put no ring on it.
Cause you see, my brother-in-law, when I ask him to loan me, I give me some money, he gives it to me. He gives me money. Unlike you when me used to up the hills, remember the man carry go a Burger King, and the man say, yo, make sure you order large. And when me hear you, small is a good thing, sir. Number 7 is medium. And I would have get a small burger.
You ungrateful wretch, you. You with your bang belly. You with your bang belly self. If me get small. Riri gets small. I'll him just order medium for show face because you a man and go order large, order milkshake, order hosted and coffee. You don't even have little conscience here. Talk about conscience. Talk about yourself, man. With your wanga butt.
You know what me here to with now? Oh, when me go at dinner with the man.
That we pay for. That we pay for.
The man said the bill is on him. I said, what? Billy Danny.
And that you want.
And when we look on the price list, I said, boy, I wish I would have rich like this man, you know.
Bad man.
I mean, I have a little conscience that order 3 lobster, and one of shrimp.
Conscience.
Me never know when we go to bathroom, you cancel the order chicken. But the backside now. Me, I go a big international restaurant, go order chicken. Popeye, take chicken back to backside.
Popeye, we are singing him. Popeye.
You wicked.
I hope that I have the same conscience as you. Yeah? The same conscience that you lick me and that dirty rod with. I want to give you back the same conscience. What go around, come around.
You shouldn't do that.
It's alright.
You shouldn't go behind the back.
No, it's alright.
That chicken.
Me and Riri going to do the same conscience.
The reason why.
And you teach me how to use conscience. We're going to use the same conscience.
That is the reason why I cut my locks, because you style me.
Hey.
You style me. Right on the dinner table, you order chicken, and guess what? You're not even to make you order half a chicken, or a whole of chicken.
They come to the depths of it now.
Leg and tie.
We come to the depths of it now. Bad mind, you did always bad mind me. I'm true, my mother loved me. Come and cling to my mother.
Why would I bad mind?
And you must tell me why you bad mind me. Me don't ask you when me come here if you change sex. Cause me want to know how you are going to tell me about girl pick me and your man too. So, you fi tell me
no,
check
about girl picking me because I grow you up. I teach you well. But the moment you jump through that door, me couldn't control you again. You remember how me did have to beat you to the day where
B2. B2, you're a big man now, you couldn't live.
When
me just tell you for safe. Me just tell you for safe.
No, me not beat you because you're a big man now.
And you couldn't beat me when I picked it. Remember it right. Remember it right, Papa.
The last
remember it right. True. Well, if I him, you are him, go do one of these ways. Me God.
Hello, good afternoon. How are you go?
But when me I go?
Hello? Alright, glad.
But when me I go?
Take
your foot out of my face.
Make sure that tomorrow morning you are $20,000 for finance in this place here. Make sure you are $20,000.
Really?
Else.
Else.
Somebody is sleeping at the doghouse.
Oh God, I hope you're comfortable in the doghouse.
Yes.
Here, I hope you're very comfortable in the doghouse. Because the same conscience you give me and the dirty boy When we take you out for big dinner, at the same conscience me and Riri going to give. So thank you for the education. You say you teach me? You teach me well. Thank you, brother. The same conscience you use is only the same conscience I'm going to use with you.
Okay.
Thank you, brother. Thank
Okay,
you.
no say nothing.
Me don't need to say nothing. You
You
don't
must
teach
say
me
nothing.
already.
You never know who run this yard.
You don't teach me already.
You must say, I know, Mama
A tree for you, huh?
I know. You
A
know
tree
much,
for you, huh?
you know much white girl for the beat and the jig for building.
Only white woman you can go
You
with
know
all
who
this
much
day with a
white,
put up in your foolishness.
you know much white girl
And
me have a
you
chick.
raw and you know
You know
use.
much white girl me have a chick put me
Yeah,
tongue
my
for
brother,
my
you know.
chest. Make them feel like
Yeah,
me
my
eat.
brother, I never want to tell you, but
You
since
know
Ducky
what-
possess you, me I make you know.
You know much
Word
white
on
girl.
the street is, you know have not a rod of use. Eh?
Yeah.
You know no use. Where all the 199, they're not even one.
When you
How
go
long?
to the palm beach, a chick white woman and put me tongue for my chest, make them feel like me eat.
Only your tongue you
And when
put.
me go at the hotel with them, me take the money and gone.
Only your tongue you put.
I
No
don't-
one no more. All I know is the same hospitality that you gave to me and allowed me and the dirty boy to expense on you. Oh, God bless you, brother. I'm going to do the same thing to you.
Word.
Watch.
I got
Watch.
my tent back in the house here. When the shine me am here, I will burn on this. I'm gonna get the money tomorrow. Now burn it down. Now wait. You see the data? Yes.
Hello,
Hello?
how are you?
Fine, you?
I'm fine, thank you. From morning I've been standing right here in the sun. Till now, this time of the day. I know I don't have on any watch, but you have to understand.
Yes.
The time. I've been standing right here and I see a lot of people pass by. And I've been asking for something to eat because I don't eat from morning and nobody is there to help me. I'm just asking if you could find a little $100, just
No, I
$100.
don't have any. I tell you the truth. I broke. Right now I don't eat. Right now I'm hungry. Right now I walk, go for my friend. Never
It's
get
just
something to eat.
$100 I need to buy something to eat.
I don't even have pocket.
You can't
Can't help. I don't have no money.
you can't help me.
Me don't have no money at all. Me broke. Me sorry.
So what's your name?
But my name is Kayla.
Would you love to hear my name?
Yeah, what's your name?
I don't know if they use those kind of name where you come from in Jamaica, but my name is Stacey. What's your name again, Kayla?
Yeah.
So where you from? Are you from this area?
Yes, from the area.
Okay, anyway. I want to think of it now. You know anybody who need a little job?
Yeah, one friend of mine, but her brother treat her bad. She named Charles. Yeah.
Huh?
Sarge or Charles. She black man. I
I'm
love
just,
her.
I'm,
Rasta here.
I'm just thinking if it's the same person that I have in mind you're talking about.
Yes, I have it.
Because I met this lady, I met her earlier today. And she told me that she only have $100 when I asked her to give me $100. She says the last money she have in her name.
She said one that man. She said one.
And I asked her to give me $100 to get something to eat. And you know that she took out the $100 that she have and give it to me?
That's what I got for you. And she
Her
said
name
one.
is Charles.
Yes. Me tell her brother treat her bad. So wait there. Wait. Something just a
It's
click
the
in my
same
brain.
person.
She give you $100?
Yes.
So you have a habit for you go around and beg. Beg. What a way I never have it. If I did ever have it, I want to give it to you. They can't look at work. Big woman like you. I don't want to be a little picnic. Man, I gotta come here. And I beg me $100. Oh God. You're really cruel in life. Because you have all having earring. When I tell them the earring and get something to eat, I walk on when I beg $100. And the woman there could have suffer. She don't have it. Her brother Papa treat her bad every day. You go beg your woman her last $100? You have no heart.
Where is speaking to me like this?
No, because I realize you're a cruel man.
Do you know me? So that's the way how you treat people when you see them on the street begging and asking for stuff when they're in need of things.
I saw me treat corrupt people. Cause you having earring. Sell the crops we have. Do you have all bag? Sell the bag. The poor woman wanna have no money. The 100. You
No,
know
look
how
at
that
this
woman
bag.
they
Look at this. This is a whole bag that a lady gave. After her $100. The lady gave me this bag and said that she's wishing me luck in life. Yes, and she prayed for me when she was giving it to me.
Well, all I can say to you is that.
Did you say your
Stop
name?
beg.
Did you say your name? Was Kayla?
Yes, Kayla.
Okay, Kayla. I think you should change your ways. When you saw people on the street, especially older people, elderly people, a matter of fact, asking for stuff, you don't know what they have been through already, what they're going through now. You don't know how old you're going to live for and what you're going to need or want in life. You don't know what is going to happen to you. You need to treat people in the right way because we don't know what is and how we are going to in need or want of something in life. I am hungry and I ask you for $100 and you're treating me like I done something wrong to you. Don't you dare do that again to nobody at all. It is not right, especially how you're young and you don't know who in life that related to you in need of something right now and is somebody you have to help them or you don't know what is going to take place in your life. So you have to treat people with love and respect.
I treat Charles with love and respect because I know that she really need it. You don't look like you need it.
It's not every children in need of certain. Some children parents do have it. So what you're saying doesn't make any sense. And some children, the parents don't have it. So they ask for stuff.
Well, I'm sorry for you. But I am broke. I don't got no money. But I say,
That
you can't look
is
for
the thing.
Charles. Charles don't have it enough. Our brother Papa I treat her bad. She have a 16-year-old daughter. Papa she have a parent. She have the one bag of something she don't have it. She walk from where she come from. Yeah, so far.
Kayla.
One night straight she walk. And you look at the poor little woman and take 100 from her.
Kayla, just listen to me
Oh
for a
God.
minute. Kayla, you don't have a good heart. Your heart is bad.
My heart is very much
First
pure.
of all, you don't know me from nowhere, and you're telling me that I am a corrupt person because I'm asking you for $100.
Yeah, walk around and
If you
ask
do not
$100.
know the meaning of words, the definition of words, a matter of fact, don't call it. Don't mention it to people. I am in need of $100, and you treat me like I've done you something wrong. But it's okay, fine.
Stacey, you know what you know, Stacey? I'm going to
No,
take
you're
my
going to say
leave.
Miss Stacy, not because you see me on the street.
Okay, Miss
begging.
Stacy.
Okay, because we are not size.
Me realize you have a habit to go around and beg.
Yes.
So let me leave you so you beg the next somebody come pick the car. You get 100 this money, you want 100 more? People like you don't make it in a life, you don't for us, you go look work.
I wish you all the best in life.
Yes,
Kayla.
thank you very much.
And I hope you don't ask anyone on this earth for nothing. You're going to always have it, okay? Don't worry. Pity you don't know who you're talking to. And you don't know what I'm about.
You say man light fire upon the clothes then. You say my uncle's a wicked man. Oh, wicked man. You say no. Oh, myself.
Hey, baby. You good? Yes, mommy. Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate love say I fold up the clothes and I make an effort. Not give him no more ammunition.
Yes, mommy. You know, say me need to go take up the clothes in the car. In like fire out the car, my clothes them.
You like your clothes on fire?
No, like bun garbage and see clothes them out there. But I good thing say they not like a
In bad mind, wicked bad, you know. Me no know what kind of dopey they find him so. It's really not the brother I know. Or I knew.
Well,
You never say nothing to him.
when?
When him set fire, when him burn start up the fire.
I just take up the clothes them and come in. Wherever.
Again.
Yeah, go on the rug.
Remember say, nobody start from me now, you know. I remember the lady me tell you, say me give her money to go buy water.
The woman
Nobody start from me, nobody start from me.
Me can't be saying I look for that woman. and then
look for her, because she did say, they did ask her if she know about her work.
Mommy.
And she said next time I see her, she might be able to bless me. So I'm going to say hopefully we can see her.
Mommy, if I come back here and you man a bless you now, but go look for her now. I mean, I go be the mother now.
Me?
Because you get the man you want $100 with the
You're going to be the mother. You take on the responsibility then. No, me no mind.
Big
So
man,
you worry about Papa and everything.
So mommy, when last daddy call you?
Me block that. Let me teach you something. Me not stop you from having a relationship with him, because no matter what going on between me and him, this to your father. That any man put them hand on me and say red and say fair. Once they still alive, me done with them. Is either them unalive or on there with me. So since him still alive, him on there with me. Okay, no matter what your father.
You call me and say, me alright. Sometimes me alright. You say, if me I come with you.
When you... Are your father still? So what you say?
Because I don't know, me have to ask mommy that first.
Good girl. So tell me something what you want though.
Me want to go for me pop. Me not like that, you know, so me not like that. Your brother from man, you know, a wicked man. He wicked. I never tell me, say, him never put his hand on me, but yet he did lick me.
Me know.
I see, God, I go send him.
Me know. Because who job bless, no man curse. And
right.
We are going through it right now. But you see, when the blessings come, it's going to come fast and hard.
Yes.
So, make it along.
Because I will say, the monkey and one tail until he lose it. So that
I can't believe us, so my brother really a carry on.
You say until he lose.
I can't believe, baby. I can't believe. All I can say is, I'm sorry you have to experience that. The whole thing, I'm sorry you have to experience. But not kill you, make you stronger.
That's true.
So, leg up on the road. Let us see what we can see, because at the end of the day, still a look for it.
I'm hungry too, so make sure you come back here with something.
You're ever hungry. Well, you're the mother now.
You know, you're ever hungry.
You're ever hungry.
So I'm not hungry.
No. Because everything you get, you're still hungry and not satisfied. You're the mother now? Or you're the child now?
I'm the child. I'm going to look for the broom, because I'm sleep out in the room. So, yes, I go look for your friend.
Yes, ma'am. I can catch you while you're in this good mood. Yes, ma'am. I can catch you while you're in this good mood. Wow. You know what? Let me pray and make sure, say, there's more chance we catch. What's your name? Stacy Ann. Oh, God. Ja, I'm coming to you. Can't go on my knees, but me I come to you begging, Lord. You know my heart. You know what we got through. Me and my baby got through. And you know what we have got through now with my brother. Lord, do help me. Help me, please. I'm not asking for much. Let me see Stacey on the road. And God, bless that woman. Bless that woman, because me don't know something about her. The next one I want you for help, Lord, Kayla. Oh God, she's a God-blessed angel. She take her loss. And Lord, me not do it for this, you know. But you see, like how me also take my loss, like how Kayla do for me. Do, Lord, me I beg you. Make me meet Stacey on the road. And make sure some good news for me, Lord. Make sure some good news for me. We can't take no more. I don't know how much more we can take, Lord. Do, please. Please, Lord. I don't know how much more we can take. All right. Lord, do protect my baby girl and protect me and keep me. In your name, I pray. Jah Rastafari. Stacey Ann, how you doing? Oh God, me glad to see you, you know.
Your face can't come out of my head. You see what you do for me the other day?
Oh,
I am
no,
so
no,
grateful.
man. That's how it works. Oh, you know, sir, and you may walk street and wonder if because, you know, if we get the
I
grace
wonder
to
if you
buck you up.
you know that to me?
Yes.
Let me tell you, God work.
Oh, God. God
Listen,
work in mysterious
in
ways.
mysterious ways. And the devil work in mischievous ways. So, you did listen me to them, man. You know me always up on the street.
Yes. And that we even pray and ask God, you know. I remember the other day you did say you check and see if you could find anybody who's looking for a job. I remember we don't do anything, you know. We don't do anything. You hear anything about work at all?
You sure?
Yeah, man, we don't do anything at all. Anything at all. Me will wash, me will clean, me will cook, me will babysit, me will walk dog. Me will do anything, Stacey, and I'll wash dog, me will do. Me need the money.
Alright, don't worry yourself. Each one help. Yeah. Understand? Each person can help another person.
Mm-hmm.
So listen up. Me know somebody. We need somebody to swing up the other.
We'll take it. For real?
Okay, yeah man.
Yeah, oh God, thank you. You don't know what you do for me.
Yeah man.
Alright, wait there. Wait there.
Let me tell you, I'm going to show you a person. Or
Yes,
you talk
please.
to the person and then take your meet the person.
Oh God, thank you so much. God, no, I need to get out of my brother's house. I can't take it no more. I can't take it no more.
Carefully, your brother.
Mm.
When you say brother, how you say play on your brother now?
If I could tell you, you wouldn't believe me. No, so you know, for so now even the time of need, my baby father kicked me and my daughter out. We come to him for help. Me not even set foot in the door good. Him froze your face and start showing me and my daughter funny vibes.
Your brother, your
My
blood brother.
brother, me and him share the same mother. We grew so my bigger brother fly couldn't pitch for me fame, you know. Why?
So your brother cruel and heartless and wicked. You sound like one evil person.
And when me turn my back, that's why you see me on road, me have to rush.
Anyway, you need to take me to your brother. Me need to know him. You have to go show me who is your brother because me need to talk to him. Because I can't have one sister so and they deal with her so bad.
Then wicked, but I need to get out. That's why you see me do absolutely anything, Stacey, and I will do anything to raise the money to leave. Me and my people can leave that house.
So, you agree if you carry me, go show you who. Cut. So you agree if you carry me, go show me who is your brother?
You know, so at this stage, Stacey, I'm gonna care what happened. So yes, because you can't handle no worse. You can't make the situation no worse. You might try run me and I try run my daughter out when in memory short.
Alright, listen.
It's an exorcist me need fame.
Alright. You understand. I can feel your pain and I heard the sadness down in your voice.
And I even mean I'm a baby girl.
I understand what you're going through. And you definitely need a job, and I'm going to make sure that person that I know needs somebody to rake up the yard and everything.
Oh God, thank you. God bless you.
Yes, no problem, man. It's a blessing, and it was a nice day and a blessed day I met you.
Oh God, true blessing for true.
You ready?
Yeah, man.
You can show me
Yeah, man. Come quick. Oh God, yes, please. I have nothing. No. You can't make the situation any worse.
You sure about your brother? He didn't have no dog in a yard. You sure say him somebody maybe can stop dog?
I'm supposed to respect everybody. And no dog in the yard. They ain't pussy in the yard. The only dog in the yard is him and him not know
because if you don't have anywhere to go, why do you really want to put out you and your daughter?
I'm nothing in the history now. I'm not doing nothing.
Come, let's go.
Me help my mother feed him when he was down on his ass.
Me need to see. Come on.
Come. Take care of her.
Hello. Hello, club yardis. This is not a club. We don't want your dance. I'm telling you about the shot. You holler? Eh? You holler? Me tell us I can't tell alone where them something there.
Tell me yard me in
A man yard you there.
Which man yard?
Just properly.
I'm in yard me there in my bedroom.
Cockafat. Ross. Are you one? You and your mama ever near this?
No.
Eh? You know how much years me build this? When your mama in a big upstairs and downstairs, down our gum AC float on the legs, right?
Mm-hmm.
You don't know how hard you have to work on this? Me have to walk on beat with my tongue long out. Like a them jigaloo. Ask your white
You
man.
did one walk on
Eh? To build this. Huh? You must many nights me sleep without this door. Huh? You know how me get the money to buy this door? Huh? It's a white girl me pick and buy it. You and your mama now gonna live off of me. That's why I rather stay on the girl shop.
Put on his shovel.
Put on the shovel. I want to get rotted. What me get it?
Which card?
Wait there. What me get it?
Your JN card?
Oh. So you know it?
You mean by me know it? No, me don't know it. My mother have a JN card.
Your mama broke. When your papa put him out, not $1. I don't give a damn. Hello. No, me do. Don't touch me do. Your mama ever buy one? Eh? I don't like Uno. I don't like you. Now my sister is 200 is the termite.
Oh, we are termite. You're wicked. You're wicked.
Me are 2 crackers in there. 2 single crackers I get up this morning and enjoy me. You're not supposed to make a left cheese, get the dog.
Really hungry.
Oh. So yeah, your mama come bring me down. And now I'm buying nothing here. Well, I put sugar and water in there now.
You're not chitty. Up there in a board.
Listen to me. Don't touch me, Doyle. Do not touch me, Doyle. Where your mama there? From morning, your mama gone for the road. You go for the road. Me not see me come back with nothing.
Hi. Who you pick up shovel to? How shovel coming in is me? I understand that.
What you see what
me have to deal with?
God.
Kill me, pick me.
Come,
what am I doing? Where am I lift the shovel?
Shut him out.
Where you lift shovel to me pick
I think he said only flip me and I'm here with it.
What kind of shovel you lift? Somebody pick me.
Oh no, not deal with decent people. Shut them out. What's up, Stacey Hilton, Miss Hilton? Great. Yes, I sent a resume in your hotel and I didn't get to, you know. I want to know what's going on, ma'am. I'm glad I see you in person, you know. Every time I come there, I ask them for you. You're busy. You're looking good. Don't mind them. They are witches. You don't mind them. So, what's going on? How you know them bushy area? You know, for them boy to pick you up.
See, because of your stupid mouth, that is the reason why I do not hire you at my place, because you talk too much.
What we talk too much with?
Your mouth is not yours, and you always try to get yourself in problems.
What?
You do not know how to speak to people properly, and you have a bad character.
No, man.
You have a stinking character.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You're wicked. You're a wicked uncle. I don't know where your mama get it from. And the
hospital this year.
I think
hospital this year. Pick up shovel to my picnic.
Excuse me.
Sorry, I'm sorry you have to come and witness this, Ian. But now you see don't touch me. Now this is my brother.
You tell her good things about me, yes. Wonderful.
I don't think so.
Eh?
She told me everything that is bad about you.
Worthless crow.
And just looking at you from your head to your toe, I know that.
He who
she's
laughed
speaking
last, laugh the best. Take your foot out of my face. What? Me worry about that. Take your foot out of my face.
It was just the evil side of me was getting out. Let me put it back down.
Beer evilness. Beer evilness is happening out.
Yes, ma'am.
They call me Papa, but my name is J. Mike.
J. Mantle. Jamanto.
Oh, yeah, that was
A
on the
Jamanto your
application.
name.
Yeah.
So this is the way that you're going to behave in my organization?
No, mom. I love white people. I love to cherish them. I treat them good. I can cook.
So you feel that I should employ somebody like you with this character?
Oh, with this character?
Yes. This kind of attitude, the behavior that you have, that's what I meant.
Well, between me and you. Sister, I woke up your palm. That's why sometimes.
Shut your mouth and stop telling lie from me. Oh, you do a lie.
That's a feeding.
Look how you are, John. This your John. I lie myself. Don't tell lie from me. Take that.
Hello. Control your mongrel.
Why are you guys trying to get me crazy at this specific
No, sorry,
moment?
mom. It was the
like
side
him,
come back
can't tell
again.
lie from me.
This is the way you guys behave in this area?
No, it's them.
Him bring me out like this, Stacey-Ann.
You don't need to behave like this because you're
Me come and he really shovel to my pick
No,
me.
listen, you're
Really
getting
shovel to my
ignorant.
pick me.
Remember, I told you that I have a job. That I know somebody need somebody to take care of that job. Yeah. So please, you have to be careful how you behave yourself.
Yeah.
Because if this is the attitude that you have, they're not going to employ. You understand?
Please shovel to
This
my
is the
pick
person that you told me about it.
Good thing.
Yes, at least you see it for yourself.
Good thing, get it. Good thing.
Me tell her the truth.
What truth?
The truth and nothing but the truth.
What
the
truth?
whole truth and nothing but the truth.
your husband-
And you don't worry about it because you can't handle the truth.
You tell her I say your baby daddy throw you out. I'm gonna take you up with your hungry belly.